here is the bit that came, as you can see, H3. This is an H3 bolt. Doesn't fit no matter what I do. Here's another H3 bit I have. You can see it says H3 right there. And fits perfectly. No problem. This fits. Doesn't fit. Found that to be the case with most of these. I have M2.5 to M8 of these bolts. None of these seem to fit. So 1 star.
This is what you get right out of the box. Well packed, hard case, well explained, measurements. Sorry for the barking. Everything you need to know about them, the measurements, the torque. If you need extra help, you can call them. Not sponsored, just so you know. I paid these with my money, and they feel really good. I use these for RC, and they work well. So, RC approved.